Hello dear students, welcome to our today's class, and here we are going to revise our chapter number 12, that is study of sound. Okay, so please pay attention towards your this revision video, and if you haven't watched any of the tutorial videos of this chapter, please go and watch that video first. Okay, and after that come to your this revision topic. Okay, now here you can see you all know that sound is a form of energy, yes, and which creates the sensation of hearing in our ears. Okay, we are able to hear because of which organ? Our ears. Okay, so ears plays an important role. Okay, yes, so here you can see this energy is in the form of waves. Okay, when somebody talks, okay, when we hear something, then what happen? It creates waves. Okay, and through that energy waves we are able to hear what we want to hear from anybody, from the television, from the radio, if any song, like that. Okay, so sound wave give rise to a chain of compression. compression के टाइम पे डेंसिटी क्या होती है? हाई होती है. Here you can see through this graph at this top, which means what? It is compression. compression के टाइम पे डेंसिटी हाई होती है, प्रेशर इज ऑल्सो हाई. एंड रेरफैक्शन विच मीन्स वॉट? अ प्लेस ऑफ लोअर डेंसिटी. हियर यू कैन सी अ प्लेस ऑफ लोअर डेंसिटी. ओके, इन द मीडियम, जहाँ पे ऐसे डार्क दिखाई देता है वहाँ पे क्या होता है? हायर डेंसिटी. एंड हियर यू कैन सी अ लोअर डेंसिटी. Okay, now yes, that we will explain, we will able to see with the help of this diagram. This is very important diagram and graph, students. Yes, so here a sound wave can be shown in the form of a graph. Okay, at any moment during the propagation of a sound wave we would find the alternate bands. Here you can see the alternate bands. Yes, up and down and so on. So these bands are of what? This is of compression and rarefaction. Here you can see compression, rarefaction. C means what? Compression. R means what? Rarefaction. Again compression, rarefaction. Okay, of the medium. Bands of greater and lesser density. तो यहाँ पे देखो ग्रेटर डेंसिटी मतलब क्या होती है? Here जहाँ पे आपको डार्क दिखाई देता है, कॉम्प्रेशन के टाइम पे डेंसिटी इज ऑलवेज हाई एंड प्रेशर इज ऑल्सो ऑलवेज हाई रहती है. ओके, सो हियर इट इज़ शोन इन विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन. एंड रेरफैक्शन मतलब क्या? डेंसिटी भी लो रहती है एंड प्रेशर इज ऑल्सो लो. ओके, येस, सो दिस इज अ ग्राफ ऑफ डेंसिटी वर्सेस एंड प्रेशर. ओके, डेंसिटी मतलब हाई जो रहती है, प्रेशर मतलब जो लो रहता है. ठीक, सॉरी, डेंसिटी एंड प्रेशर दोनों भी हाई रहते हैं. कौन से टाइम पे? कॉम्प्रेशन के टाइम पे. बट रेरफैक्शन के टाइम पे दोनों क्या रहते हैं? लो. ओके, येस. So now students, the wavelength of sound wave is indicated by what? Lambda. Remember this, this is very important. While the frequency is indicated by what? Nu. Okay, and nu. Here you can see amplitude is denoted by A, capital A, and time period is denoted by capital T. ठीक है? Yes. Now what is velocity? Velocity is distance upon time. Yes. But here you can see velocity की जगह पे हमने क्या लिया है? wavelength. Okay? Yes. So wavelength का symbol क्या है? That is lambda. So lambda upon time period का symbol क्या है? T. So that is T. Okay? So 1 upon T is equal to what? Nu. अगर हम लैम्बडा को सेपरेट करेंगे तो 1 अपॉन टी इज इक्वल टू न्यू. सो वी इज इक्वल टू वॉट? न्यू लैम्बडा, विच मीन्स वेवलेंथ इंटू फ्रिक्वेंसी. ओके, येस. नाउ द वेलोसिटी ऑफ साउंड जो है इन अ गैशियस मीडियम, it is depends upon some kind of physical conditions. What are that conditions? First is temperature. So velocity of sound is directly proportional to the square root of the temperature. Okay, here you can see square root of temperature. Density, velocity of sound is what? Inversely proportional to the square root of density. And molecular weight, the velocity of sound is also inversely proportional to the square root of molecular weight of the gas. Okay, so these are the some kind of conditions which are there where the velocity of sound is depend upon. Okay, yes. Now audible, infra and ultrasound, very easy topic. So you all know that the limits of hearing of the human ear are 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So a human ear can hear the sound between what? Between the frequencies of this range only. Okay, so these sounds are called as what? Audible sound. Audible sound, which means the sounds which are audible to us. Okay, then the sound with a frequency smaller than 20 hertz, it's called as infrasound. बहुत small होते हैं ऐसे sound. And the sound waves with a frequency greater than 20 kilohertz are called as what? Ultrasound. Okay, now here you can see a reflection of sound. Yes, here you can say this is the wall. Here a sound gets this is called as incident sound, and here it gets reflected back. Okay, here you can say this is perpendicular. Yes, incident sound कैसे है डिनोट किया है θ1, reflected sound कैसे डिनोट किया है θ2, and this is a perpendicular. Okay, which is drawn for the, and all the three they are in the same plane. They are showing the same direction. Here you can see everything is in same plane. Okay, so that is called as reflection of sound. Now what are the good and bad reflectors of sound? रिफ्लेक्टर मतलब क्या होता है? जिसमें से साउंड अच्छी तरह से एकदम क्लियरली पास हो जाता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिफ्लेक्टर. नाउ here you can see a hard or a flat surface is a good reflector, like this, like wall, cardboard. So these are called as good reflectors, while clothes, paper, curtains, carpet, furniture, they absorb sound. वो जो है साउंड को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिंग इट. So they are called as what? Bad reflectors. So they are called as which reflectors? Bad reflectors. And flat and hard surface is called as good reflectors. Okay, now you all know that what is echo. Echo is what? Repetition of original sound because of reflection by some surface. Okay, जब हम कुछ बोलते हैं तब हमें हमारा ही वो साउंड जो है वो सुनने को मिलता है आफ्टर फ्यू सेकेंड. So that is called as echo of our voice. That is nothing but what? Reflection of our sound. Okay, yes. After that, reverberation. Reverberation मतलब क्या होता है? जब हम कुछ बोलते हैं तब हमें कुछ सेकंड के बाद जो हमने बोला वही बार बार सुनाई देता है. Okay, so many times we are able to hear that. So it is of multiple times. यहाँ पे एक ही बार हमें अपना साउंड सुनाई देता है, बट यहाँ पे सो मेनी टाइम्स. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? रिवर्बरेशन. ओके, येस. नाउ सोनार. सोनार मतलब क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ टेक्निक, इट इज़ अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ साउंड नेविगेशन. और वो कहाँ पे यूज़ होती है? इट इज़ यूज टू डिटरमाइन द डायरेक्शन, डिस्टेंस, स्पीड ऑफ अंडर वाटर ऑब्जेक्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अल्ट्रासोनिक साउंड वेव्स. तो ये बेसिकली शिप्स में वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं. यहाँ पे ट्रांसमीटर है, थ्रू द ट्रांसमीटर वेव्स जो है वो ट्रैवल करते हैं, एंड द वेव्स गेट्स रिफ्लेक्टेड एंड इट गेट्स रिसीव्ड बाय द रिसीवर. ओके, सो अगर कुछ सामने अगर कोई शिप में है, ओके, और सामने कुछ ऐसे तूफान आने वाला है या कुछ है और कुछ है जो यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं उनको नहीं पता है. ठीक है, सो ये क्या होता है? जो यहाँ पे लोग हैं उनको पता नहीं है, तो क्या होता है? थ्रू द यहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? थ्रू द वेव्स दे विल इन्फॉर्म द रिसीवर, एंड थ्रू द रिसीवर they will able to get the things that what is going on, what is there in underwater, if any damage is there. Okay, something kind of natural calamities or are going to create. So like that, for this sonar technique is used. Now sonography technique, very easy. So why this is used? So this technology uses ultrasonic sound wave to generate the images of internal organs of the human body. internal organs को अगर कुछ डैमेज हुआ है, कुछ स्वेलिंग हुई है, इन्फेक्शन हुआ है, सो टू गेट टू नो what is going on, what is wrong with the internal organs, what we used to do? We used to do the sonography of that organ. Okay, so the condition of heart, the state of heart after the heart attack, as well as the growth of fetus okay, inside the womb of pregnant woman are studied using this kind of technique. So sonography is a very nice technique to see the condition of our internal organs and during the pregnancy. Okay, so ये टेक्निक में क्या यूज़ होता है, अ प्रोब एंड अ जेल. तो जेल जो है वो दैट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स पे अप्लाइड होता है जिसका हमें सोनोग्राफी करने का है, ठीक है. एंड प्रोब का क्या यूज़ होता है, हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी अल्ट्रासाउंड इज ट्रांसमिटेड इनसाइड द बॉडी विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोब. ओके, सो this is about your sonography. Now human ear. Human ear is a very important organs of our body. Without ear we can't hear. Yes, so the ear is divided into 3 parts. Here you can see outer ear जिसको पिना बोलते हैं. This is called a middle ear. Yes, and this is called as inner ear. Okay, outer ear मतलब जो हमें बाहर से दिखाई देता है, that is called as outer ear. Okay, so here you can see this outer ear is a funnel shaped structure. Here you can see this is the funnel shaped structure. Yes, okay, which having, here you can see auditory canal है, tympanic cavity है. Yes, now the middle ear, here you can see it is consist of eardrum. Through the vibration, ये जो है vibration में help करता है eardrum. Okay, and here the inner ear is consist of snail like structure which is called as cochlea. Okay, so through the inner ears, through the this kind of things, the signals gets converted, signal gets diverted towards what, towards our brain, and through that we are able to hear the surrounding noise or surrounding voice. Okay, so this is the structure of human ear, which is divided into 3 steps. So this is about your revision video. Go through the video, very easy chapter, बहुत chapter easy है. Go through the video and study well. Thank you.